welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some sweet potato pecan pie, just like at Papa Do's. So this is a dessert that I made once before and I'm making again. So let's get started. Let's turn my camera around. Okay, I've got some sweet potatoes here already peeled. And so these are the ingredients that you're going to need. 1 teaspoon of butter. 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 egg, and I put nutmeg and cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon each, and some vanilla, probably about, let's see, I think it's this recipe calls for vanilla. How much vanilla? 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to open this up. We're going to put our vanilla inside. Like 1/4 teaspoon. That's probably a whole teaspoon, but it's okay. We're going to take these sweet potatoes and we're going to put it in our food processor over here. So let me just start adding it. I already have some in there from when I made another recipe. So we're going to make 2 pies, possibly 3, out of this sweet potato pie, out of these sweet potatoes. Okay, I'm going to add my ingredients. But first I have to melt my butter, so let me go do that. Okay, I melted my butter. I'm going to add that. I'm going to add my sugar, my salt. I'm going to add my brown sugar. I'm going to add my egg. I'm going to add my cinnamon and nutmeg. Okay, we're going to put the top on it and we're going to pulverize it. Have to lock on. I don't think it's locked. I always have trouble with this top. Getting it to lock on, fit properly and lock on. I think it's locked now. Okay. High setting. Okay, so now I've finished mixing the sweet potatoes. So now I'm going to grab a spoon and scoop them out into the pie shell. Pie crust shell. These are my pie crust shells here. Now, you should buy deep dish pie crust shells because you're going to put the pecan mixture on the top of this. These are kind of shallow, so the pie is going to be kind of full. Just spread that out evenly. I'm going to get a spatula and spread it out better. Just going to spread that out. Yeah, I can make 2 more pies with what's left over. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to get something to spread that out with. Spatula or spoon, small spoon. Large spoon, rather. Just going to spread it out. Then we're going to put these in the refrigerator while we're making the pecan pie topping. Okay, we're ready to make our pecan topping. Okay, now we're getting ready to make the pecan portion of the sweet potato pie. So we're going to start adding our ingredients. We're going to add sugar, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We're going to be adding our wet ingredients. We're going to be adding lemon juice, 1½ teaspoons of lemon juice, vanilla, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, corn syrup, dark corn syrup. We're going to be adding this whole container, this entire container, 2 cups. 2 8-ounce cups, which would be 16 ounces. I've got to get this open. That open. Okay. I'm just going to pour it in there. And as you guys know, syrup pours really slowly. I'm going to squeeze it, try to get it to come out faster. I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 tablespoons of butter. And lastly, I'm going to add the eggs. After I stir it up, I'm going to add the eggs. Okay, so that's all of the corn syrup. Okay, now I'm going to stir this up. I got to grab a spoon. Stir this together. Now, I'm going to pull out my hand mixer as well because it's going to help mix it together very well. I'm going to add the eggs and the pecans last. I'm going to go grab my little mixer, my handy dandy mixer. Okay, I'm just going to mix this together with my little handheld mixer. Y'all, I got this mixer at Goodwill. It's $3. And I use it for a lot of things. Whenever I need to just do a quick mix, that's what I use it for. It's not real loud, so I love it. If you want to mix drinks or something like that, you can use it. Okay, now I'm going to add my eggs and then my pecans. I don't want the shells to fall off in there, so gotta be careful with that. It's 4 eggs. Because I'm doubling this recipe. If you were only going to make one pie, you just use 2 eggs. Okay, we're going to mix these eggs. Okay, and we're done. Now we're going to add our pecans. Okay, I added our pecans. Mix all this together. Ooh, that looks so good. And we're going to pour it into our pie shells. Let me go grab the pie shells. Okay, I have the pie shells. I'm going to pour it in here. Whoa, be careful not to go over. Add some pecans. Spread them around. Sip some of these pecans out of here. This pie shell should have been a lot deeper. Next time I'm going to use deep dish pie shells. Put more pecans in there. And there you have it. They're ready for the oven. We're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes until golden brown. We'll be back. Okay, so this is the final I took it out of the oven. This is the final product. I tasted that one. It's so good. But yeah, these are my sweet potato pecan pies. I made 4 of them. So thank you guys for tuning in to Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to always like, subscribe, and share my recipes. Thank you. Bye-bye. And as always, bon appetit.